All the rendering's done now, completed. Just got a few more bits to finish on the roof. We've got to do the decking. Decking? It's definitely not decking up there, is it? So the decking down here, coming out 2 meters from point to point on the end of the extension, and then we'll finish the guttering going across down into our outlet down there. A few other bits and bobs, exterior we've got to finish, but apart from that, we're all done. So just put a fence across here, infilling underneath the decking. Sean's putting a little access hatch gate in there for the clients to get underneath to put their pots and etc. in. I'm just cutting off. Dave's just filling in this section now underneath the decking, like Sean has done here. Here he is.
Here he is.
Hey. David Carpentry Services.
Yeah, your services.
Sean's putting a little gate in here for the clients. He's really thinking about it, isn't it?
Oh, can you hear it?
Get that thing on my fucking head.
Yeah, we'll finish off the fence off here, so decking it tomorrow, and the balustrade's going up. just want to thank
Where's your knob?
Discount Decking for supplying our composite decking. Oh, not composite, millboard. So he supplied all this for us, so we'll time lapse it like the boys are doing now.
Okay, these blue things here are for spacing the deck boards off, so you get a nice even gap all the way down. Because it's quite difficult with millboard being a man-made product, it tends to wave all over the place.
Composite decking's all finished. Sean's just finishing off the fence down here. And then Parker's just getting ready to put the chip-ins around the decking here. All looking good.
Hi guys, today we're at Brixham, fitting the glass on this lovely decking that we've done. Here's Sean.
Hello.
Hello. So we've fitted all the poles a while ago, all around the edge. My lovely Sean came back at a point, put the first lot of brackets on.
All of them too hard.
Got the first glass ready to go in for this one. So I'll set up the camera and you can all watch. Cheers!